This is a question from IPMAT Indore 2023 paper, QA section. The question is on trigonometry and can be solved with the help of some simple trigonometric identities. So let's start. So we are given cos alpha plus cos beta is 1 and we need to find the maximum value of this expression. So we have cos and we need sine. So to convert from cos to sine, we normally use squares. We have an identity in squares with which we can convert cos square to sine square or vice versa. So we can start this question by using the squares. So what we can do is cos alpha plus cos beta, square of it, that should be 1. So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta, that should be 1. We are given sin alpha minus sin beta and we need to find its maximum value. So we can start with assuming some value for this expression also. Sin alpha minus sin beta, that let us say is x. So now again I can square this. So that becomes sin square alpha plus sin square beta minus 2 sin alpha sin beta, that should be x square. So we have these two equations, we can say, and here if we add these two equations, so cos square plus sin square, that will be 1, cos square plus sin square, that will be 1 again, and cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta, that will be an identity. So if we add 1 and 2, so I will get cos square plus sin square 1, cos square plus sin square 1 again, plus 2 cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta, and that is equal to 1 plus x square. Now cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, that is cos A plus B, that is an identity. So it becomes cos alpha plus beta. We have 2 here and 2 here, and we have 1 plus x square here. So this 1 comes to this side. So it becomes 1 plus 2 cos alpha plus beta, that is equal to x square. Now we needed to find the maximum value of sin alpha minus sin beta, and we assumed sin alpha minus sin beta as x. That means we need to find the maximum value of x. So x is this much. Maximum value will be when cos alpha plus beta is maximum and cos will be maximum at x. Cos will be maximum value of cos alpha plus beta is 1. So I can say cos alpha plus beta is less than or equal to 1. Hence, 2 cos alpha plus beta is less than or equal to 2. Hence, 1 plus 2 cos alpha plus beta is less than or equal to 3. And this is equal to x square. Hence, x square is less than or equal to 3. So if x square is less than or equal to 3, then x will be less than or equal to root 3 or more than or equal to minus root 3. So maximum value of x is root 3. And because x was sin alpha minus sin beta, so maximum value of sin alpha minus sin beta is also root 3. So I can also say sin alpha minus sin beta, that will be less than or equal to root 3. So root 3 is the maximum value of sin alpha minus sin beta. That means the answer will be option C.